The gain of amplifiers can be calculated from the displayed waveforms of the input and output voltage. The input and output voltages of the amplifier are connected to channel 1 and channel 2 respectively. Note the settings of the volts per division knobs. Channel 1 is set to 0.5 volts per division and channel 2 is set to 1 volt per division. The two waveforms appear on the screen of the oscilloscope. The peak-to-peak value of the input voltage covers 3.2 divisions. From the setting of the volts per division switch, each division represents 0.5 of a volt. Therefore, the peak-to-peak value of the voltage is 3.2 times 0.5 equals 1.6 volts. The peak-to-peak value of the output voltage covers 4.8 divisions. Each division has a value of 1 volt. Therefore, the output voltage of the amplifier is equal to 4.8 times 1, which is equal to 4.8 volts. Voltage gain is equal to output voltage divided by input voltage. This is equal to 4.8 divided by 1.6. Therefore, the voltage gain is 3.